A warm welcome to everyone. Myself, REVATHI, working as an assistant professor in Department of Data Science. The topic which I am going to cover today is data knowledge representation through data mining. Let's start by saying what data mining is. Data mining means finding useful patterns and knowledge from large amount of data. Let's see a real-time example. A company collecting a vast amount of data, but data alone is not useful. Data mining helps to analyze the data and find hidden patterns. This helps organization to make decisions. The next, why data mining is needed. A huge amount of data is generating in every field like banking, social media, business, education, etc. Data mining helps to analyze the data to identify patterns, understand customer behavior, to predict future trends. This helps companies or organizations to make informed decisions. The next, let us see the difference between traditional data analysis and data mining. Traditional data analysis works in known data and results, but data mining goes deeper and finds hidden patterns. Data mining are more advanced and works in large and complex data. Let's see the challenges in data mining. First one is data quality. Today, the real world data is too dirty. Normal algorithms cannot learn properly from that data. The next one is scalability. Data is huge in size from nowadays, from gigabytes to terabytes. Algorithms are too slow and needs more memory. The third one is privacy and security. Data mining involves both private and confidential data. It must be protected from misuse. The next one is data integration. Data collected from different sources like Word file, Excel file and sensors, which was combined was very hard. The last one is performance. Algorithms are too fast and efficient. The next one is KDD. KDD stands for knowledge discovery and data. It is an overall process of extract knowledge from data. Here, the data mining is a one-step process in KDD. Let's see the stages in KDD process. First one is data cleaning. It includes missing values, errors, incorrect values. Let's see an example for a bank. The bank removes customer account without phone number. Then duplicate customer records. This makes the data correct. The next one is data selection. It chooses only the data that is needed for analysis. If a bank wants to predict the loan to a customer, they select only credit amount, employment details, loan amount, repayment history, like that. The next one is data transformation. Convert the data into a proper format. For example, convert the salary from string to number, convert the date to year, day, month. The next one is data integration. Chooses data from different sources into one place. For example, a bank wants to collect data from online banking records, loan department, credit department, account saving system, like that. The next one is data mining techniques. There are three techniques we are following in data mining to make predictions and find patterns. Let's see one by one. The first one is classification. Classification means sorting things into groups. Let's see a simple example for email spam checking. The computer collects the mail every day. It looks for suspicious words like offer, free, like that. If it is, the email is spam. If it looks normal, the email is not spam. So the classification helps the computer to decide whether the mail is spam or not spam. The next one is clustering. Clustering means grouping similar data items. Let's say an example for student mark analysis. Here we have a set of student marks like 90, 70, 60, 10, 20. The cluster helps to group the scores like a high score, medium score, then low score. The next one is association rule mining. It helps to find the relationship between data items. For let's say a simple example, the customer who buy bread and butter together, we can make and rule the customer who buy bread also often like to buy butter also. The next one is pattern evaluation. Pattern evaluation means checking whether the discovered pattern is working or not. Let's see a simple example. A school find a pattern. The students, those who are attending extra classes, are scoring high marks. They check if it is true for most of the students. The checking is called pattern evaluation. Next one is knowledge representation. It is used to represent the discovered patterns in an easy and understandable way, like tables, forms, reports, graphs, etc. Next one is applications in data mining. Data minings are applied in various fields like healthcare to disease prediction, then in retail to analyze customer behavior, then in education for students performance tracking, then in social media for recommendation system, in banking for credit score and fraud detection. Let's see the advantages in data mining to help better decisions, to identify valuable patterns, to improve efficiency, to predict future trends, to enhance the customer satisfaction, to detect fraud and risk quickly. Let's see the disadvantages in data mining. First one is privacy issues, second one is security issues, the third one is high risk of tools and technology, the fourth one is incorrect results if the data is poor. The fifth one is complex process. It takes time to prepare data. As we came to conclusion, the data mining helps to discover knowledge from large amount of data. It is applying in various fields to make predictions and find patterns. Thank you.